Hello art students. Today I'm going to give you some tips for how to start the drawing for your wheels project. The first thing I'm going to do is try to find a starting shape. The starting shape should be the main shape of your vehicle. Then I'm going to try to figure out what some of the other main shapes are. Now remember from our observational drawing unit that your memories of what the vehicle looks like and the wheels, for example, are often going to be really different from what you see in front of you. The wheels are an excellent example because unless you're looking at your vehicle from straight on like from the side, the wheels aren't circles, they're ellipses. And you're seeing more dimensions of those wheels. So you're not just going to see a plain circle, you're going to see the side of the wheel and in all of its strange angles. And my wheels in the back are quite thick. The next step I'm going to do, once I've kind of figured out a starting shape, is I'm going to make a mark on my watercolor paper where the top of my vehicle stops and where the bottom of my vehicle stops, and kind of on the sides too. Remember this from our shoe unit where we boxed in the shoe. We do this to make sure that our drawing will fit within the confines of the paper. So I've made some little marks for myself so that I know how big my vehicle is going to be to make sure that it really fits inside that paper. And then I'm going to start with that main shape that I found, which in this instance is that orange shape that looks a little bit like an S. I'm going to start by roughly sketching in that main shape and the wheels, and then I'm going to use my pencil to find all of those funky angles that are there. I'm going to use my eraser a whole bunch because I know I'm going to need to make lots and lots of adjustments. Remember, you don't want to do any of the fine details until you're certain that you have all of the proportions correct on your vehicle. So don't add any of those little tiny things until the very end. Once you're done and it looks proportionately awesome, you're going to ink it with a Uniball pen, and then your final step is going to be to draw a ground line. The ground line just indicates where the ground is. You can put it just above the lowest wheel, and I used a ruler.